Friends, how are you? I hope you all are healthy and good. I am Arshia Sayyed from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, running under P.M.E.TRUST Maharashtra Education Trust. Students, in the last video, we had started a new chapter, that is human occupation. Okay, so in that video, we had discussed only the basic or general introduction about the human occupation, why occupations is important, require, why occupation is important in human life. Okay, so we are just discussed in that video about the occupations. Now on the basis of their nature, on the basis of their classification, they are divided into 4 categories. The first one is the primary occupation. Now we will see what is primary occupation. So take out book and page number 61. We have many occupations, industries, trades, etc. Some of these activities are directly dependent on nature. We are performing so many activities, but some activities are dependent on what? They are dependent on nature. It means that the products obtained in these activities are obtained directly from nature. We are performing so many activities, but some activities are only dependent on nature because they require nature, they obtain from the nature, so we need nature. Activities are obtained directly from nature. Cows and buffaloes are animals, we domesticate them. See picture A, we get milk from them. Okay, from this picture, okay, we have an idea about the how we get the resources, how we get products or performing activities with the help of these natural domestic animals. This occupation is directly dependent on nature. So these animals get or consume energy from where? They are consuming energy from the grasses. Okay. So such occupations which are dependent on nature are called primary occupation. So what it defined as? The primary occupation is defined as the process where the occupations directly depend on nature. That occupations is known as the primary occupation. Okay, understood this? Example, animal husbandry and fishing. Primary occupation, the best example is animal husbandry, second one is the fishing or fishery, because they are present in nature. Okay, so the occupations which are only dependent on nature, that occupations is known as the primary occupation. Some products obtained in primary occupations are used directly while others are used after making some changes in them. Okay, so some occupations, first one is the primary occupation. In this primary occupation, some products are we obtain that is used directly. Okay, we get directly from the nature and we utilize it. Okay, but some are modifying. Okay, we are taking and then we are modifying them and then we utilize it. We want some change in that. Okay, so that's why we are making and some change in them. Now see picture E. Okay, this picture. Okay, so that picture is shown about the milk process. Okay, how milk is processed. So in this picture, the milk is being processed after bringing it to the dairy. Okay, how it is processed? It is processed after the bringing of its dairy. That is, the product obtained from nature is processed and made into different products. Okay, whatever things are present in nature we get directly, but some products are we have to change in them. Okay, they are in milk dairies. Okay, after that they are milkmans are doing some activities, some procedures, they are isolating, they are performing any procedures on that. So that is the best example of the making some changes in them. So made into different products. obtained from nature is processed and made into different products. These products are more durable. Okay, from this milk we get milk, and from this milk we prepare so many items of milk like cheese, butter, ghee, paneer. So these all are the more durable. Okay, why this more durable? Because they are processed. Okay, some scientific or some chemical procedures are performing on the milk, and then they are more easily usable for durable and more easily usable for advantage. This their quality has enhanced too. उसकी quality क्या होगा? The quality will very enhanced. So these products are more durable because the quality is changing. Okay, the quality will be enhanced or quality will changed, or it is durability is very good or at best. Their quality has enhanced too, and therefore their prices is also higher. If quality is good, the prices is also good or high. For example, shirkhand. Okay, shirkhand, butter, cheese and milk powder are processed from milk. Okay, we get domestic animal, from the domestic animal we get milk. So after milk they are processed in the dairies, and from the processed the milk get converted into different milk items like shrikhand, ghee, cheese, butter, paneer. So this processing is an industrial activities. How it will get processed? It is processed in the industrial activities. Industries are based on raw materials. Okay, industries are based on what? Raw material. What do you mean by raw material? Raw means unripe. Okay, they are कच्चा, जिसे कहेंगे हम कच्चा. Okay, they are not complete. Okay, so industries basically depend upon the raw products or raw materials. Or more durable goods are produced in an industries. The raw material supplied to the industries, whatever raw material are there, they are supplied to the industries, is obtained from nature. Okay, what we are obtaining? We are obtaining from this. What we get from this? We are get from the nature. So from the nature we get into the raw material in the form of raw. From primary occupations. Okay, so these all about the primary occupation. Now come to the secondary occupation. How secondary occupation is there? Okay, occupations depend on primary occupations. Okay, occupation depends on what? Occupations depend on the primary occupations are called secondary occupations. Okay, secondary occupations. So you will saw the milk collections and sale of milk, transport of milk and sale of milk products respectively. All these activities are related to the products of primary and secondary occupations. Okay, primary occupation is the basic and the simplest understanding for the simplest concept is the primary occupation is the primary. Okay, so from the domestic animal and domestic cow, buffaloes. So we are get milk from milk they undergo the process in the dairies, and we get lots of things. So this is the primary occupations. From the primary occupation they are come to the secondary occupation. How secondary occupation? Whatever procedures are done due to the industries, okay, done by industries, that procedure is known as that occupation of transport, from taking, from intake, from processing, the whole procedures coming under the secondary procedure or secondary occupations. Transport of milk and sale of milk products respectively. All these activities are related to the products of primary and secondary occupations. Many a times these occupations provide complementary services to the other two occupations. Okay, so these all about the secondary occupations. Both primary and secondary occupation are combined. They are work as a complementary. Okay, and they are depend upon the next two occupation, that is tertiary occupation, and the fourth one is the quaternary occupation. So that tertiary occupations and quaternary occupations we will see in the next video. So I hope you all are understood about the primary occupations and secondary occupations. So students, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.